Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer workflows from IFTTT to Zapier with equivalence, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific workflows you use in IFTTT. Log into your IFTTT account and navigate to your dashboard. Select the applets you want to transfer to Zapier. Take note of the triggers and actions in each applet. Next, log into your Zapier account. Familiarize yourself with the Zapier dashboard layout. Click on Make a Zap to start a new workflow. Begin by choosing a trigger app that matches your IFTTT workflow. Search for and select the corresponding app in Zapier. Choose the trigger event that aligns with what you used in IFTTT. Connect your account for that app and proceed to set up the trigger. Verify that the trigger pulls in the correct sample data. Now, it's time to set up the action. Select the action app you want to use in Zapier. Search for and choose the appropriate action that corresponds to IFTTT. Configure the action settings to suit your needs. Map any necessary fields from the trigger to the action. Test the Zap to ensure everything works smoothly. If the test is successful, save your Zap with a relevant name. Repeat this process for each IFTTT applet you wish to transfer. Once all workflows are in Zapier, review them for accuracy. Familiarize yourself with the Zapier interface to maximize your automation efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.